Let me tell you something nobody is saying. The next wave of digital income won't require your face. The future of content isn't stress, it's smart creation. If you've been saying you want to start content but don't want to show your face, then you need to create an AI influencer like me. You're watching someone who doesn't exist but has brand deals. Just last week, I received this box from my dream skincare brand, and today I'll be shooting my first promo video. So now I'm filming the actual promo for them. And this is where most people miss it. Brands don't care if you're real or AI. They care about attention and influence. So listen, while you're trying to go viral, some people are building digital humans that work 24/7. Let's take this a step further. You've seen what I can do. Now it's time to learn how to create yours.
AI influencers are big right now. You've probably seen them on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook with huge amount of followers and already gaining brand deals with millions of views across their social media platforms. You don't need any complicated tools, you don't need coding, you don't need any sophisticated software. You can also tap into this. If you're thinking of how to start making money this year, this video is for you. You can create your own AI influencer from scratch, following the guide I'm going to give you in this video. So stick with me to the end. Let's get into it. So the first thing we'll do is open ChatGPT. Here we're going to type in our prompts that we'll use to generate the AI influencers we need. So I wrote, I need 4 prompts for a beautiful African AI influencer. She appeared in 4 different scenes. Scene 1, she's in her luxury apartment, sitting on her bed, unboxing a box full of goodies. Scene 2, she's dressed on the streets, going to the gym. She's holding up her phone like she's talking to her camera. Scene 3, she's in her car driving. Scene 4, she's dressed for work. Make her wear different outfits that suits the events in the scene. So basically what we'll do here is just generate the prompts, and then we'll hit the arrow. ChatGPT is going to generate the 4 different prompts. But note that ChatGPT had to generate the base prompt for this particular AI influencer. With this base prompt, we're going to create our influencer before we start generating the different scenes. So first, I'm going to select and copy the base prompt and head over to my Chrome browser. So next, we're going to search for Whisk AI. So type in Whisk AI in your Chrome browser and you would see the first option that pops up. Click on it and then sign up with your email. I'm already signed up, so it takes me directly to the dashboard. But if you haven't, use your email to sign up and you have access to this exact dashboard. Then I'll hit enter. So next, we're going to click in the description box and paste the prompt. Click here and select your preferred image size. So we have the square, the portrait, and the landscape. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the landscape, and hit the arrow button and the image will be generated in a few seconds. Now, Whisk AI generates 2 images per time. So we're going to look at these images, which are beautiful images, and select our preferred option. So I prefer the first image, so I'm just going to tap on it and I'll see the download option that pop up on the screen. I'll tap on that arrow and the image will be downloaded. Next, I'll hit the add image option below. So once I hit that, I have access to the dashboard. So I'm going to click on upload image under subject. Then I'll select the base image that we generated just now on Whisk AI. Once I select that, it's going to load, and now we have it here. So hit the circle to ensure that the image is marked, is selected. So I'll come back to the main dashboard. Here you can see that the image, the base image that we created, is already highlighted at the bottom here. So next, we'll head over to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt for our AI influencer. We'll copy it and come back to Whisk AI and paste it in the description box. Make sure to select your preferred image size. In this case, I'm using 16:9. Once I select that, I'm going to hit the arrow button, and in a few seconds, the first image for my AI influencer will be generated. Now look at this image and tell me what you think. This image is clean. Whisk AI is actually insane when it comes to high quality images. So we're going to repeat this process for the other prompts we generated from ChatGPT. So I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt, the same pattern. I'll just select it, copy it, and come back to Whisk AI, paste it in the description box, and then hit the arrow button. While you're doing this, ensure that the base image that you created is still there. Now notice something. In the second prompt, I noticed that ChatGPT gave me another description of what the hair of my AI influencer should look like, but I had to edit that part out. I took it out just so that I can maintain the same image, the same hairstyle, the same facial features for my AI influencer. So I'm going to go back again to ChatGPT. I'm going to copy the third prompt for this particular AI influencer. We'll come back to Whisk AI and paste it. Then I'll hit the arrow button and the image will be generated. So next we're going to repeat that same process for the fourth image. So we're going to head over to ChatGPT, select the prompt for the fourth image, copy it, come back to Whisk AI and paste it in the description box, hit the arrow button, and our fourth image would be generated. So now that we have generated all the images, all I have to do is basically just tap on the screen of my preferred option. Remember, with Whisk AI, each prompt generates 2 options for you, so you have 2 options per time. So I'm going to select my preferred options, looking at the camera angle, maybe the lighting and how real the image looks. I'm going to tap on the screen and hit the arrow button and download the images to my phone. So once we're done with that, we're going to head over to Grok AI. So I'll hit imagine, scroll to the bottom of the screen and select animate photo. This will take me directly to my gallery. I'll select the first image I want to animate. Once I do that, I'm going to paste my prompt in the description box. You can use ChatGPT to generate a suitable prompt for this particular scene. That is what you want your AI influencer to say. So remember, you can always play around with the accent. You can use Nigerian, British, Jamaican, or even the American accent. So once you do that, you hit the arrow button. Grok AI will generate the video for you.
Let me tell you something nobody is saying. The next wave of digital income won't require your face.
So this is exactly how to build your own AI influencer from scratch. With these, you can create social media accounts for your AI influencer and start putting up content consistently. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Christy Daniel. I really love to connect with you.